So I gotta confess, I recorded this trip all the way back in March of 2022. So bear with me here. Day one, on the first stop of our 5.5 hour drive to Yosemite, we stopped in a city in the middle of nowhere called Arvin for breakfast at a place called Black Bear Diner. I was feeling like a hungry bear, so I got the 10-ounce New York steak and eggs with my eggs over medium with a side of fruit and French toast. Also, I got coffee with about 10 creams because I like cream. Pause.
No, here, give me a tiny bit. I'll try it on the egg.
Just not stop.
That's good. I'm one hungry bear.
Justin, you should start a Patreon.
This food is scrum-diddly-dumptious.
After breakfast, we drove non-stop to Yosemite. To get in the park, there is a 7-day, $35 entrance fee per vehicle. After you pass the gate, it's about an hour drive up the Windy Mountains before you go through this tunnel that leads to the actual park. There, you can see this crazy view. Here, you can see Bridalveil Falls, Halfdome, as well as El Capitan, which Alex Honnold climbed without any ropes in free solo. While we were there, we could actually see climbers literally camping on the 1.5 mile tall wall. After leaving the view, we finally made it to our first stop at Bridalveil Falls.
I'm at the mist. I'm at the waterfall, Bridal Falls. Horizontal. Yeah, and this means if you get touched by the water, it means you're more likely, here's the voice, you're more likely to get married if you touch the water. And Brain's looking pretty good right now. I'm just saying.
All right, let's go.
Storm.
So wet.
Yeah.
It's insane. It's literally like a hurricane track.
I know. Look at the weather. And look at the fucking sky.
It was hot earlier.
It was so hot.
I'm soaked now.
And now we're freezing.
It's actually like a storm.
That's actually, like, nature amazes me. The fact that, like,
Oh, this place is insane. You'll see things differently after this place, for sure.
If we had rain jackets, or like waterproof stuff, I would want to make it up. Let's go to the other water.
Yeah, next waterfall we can put all our waterproof gear on. Yeah, let's go. After Bridal Falls, we went to our second stop at Lower Yosemite Falls.
That's
We are gonna get drenched.
me, bro. Me when your girl, me when on she, her.
Me when it's that time.
Alright. Okay, guys, let's go.
Go for it. Okay, we're almost there. I'm falling.
I got you.
Okay, just put our feet together. We both just fall back.
Yeah. You gotta go for it. Then.
Oh, I got you.
Guys, let's go. You guys actually have to sit down. We just sit down wherever we want. Okay.
So I don't want my phone to get wet, so I attach it to this, right? I need both hands to climb, right? So I stick it in there. Look at that.
That's smart.
Hands free, baby. I'm gonna get my phone ready to access for the vlog. Let's go.
Okay, this is waterfall number 2. Let's go. Yosemite Falls.
Oh my god.
It's so much worse.
Yeah. It's so wet right now.
Rocks, basically.
Yeah. It's like a wave.
Yeah. Braden. I think we can.
Hi guys, this is the James Lake in Yosemite. This is wet.
After Lower Yosemite Falls, it was late, so we left the park and checked into our hotel at Tenaya Lodge, did some lifting, and got dinner at the hotel restaurant, which was called Jackalopes Bar and Grill. I got the Bison Burger, and we shared this giant Caesar salad. After dinner, we went back to our room, and I gave Braden a fresh cut.
Alright, I think we're done with the haircut, guys. I think we're good.
It kind of looks cool. It looks like an anime.
Yeah, I got the sick fade on the right.
Just woke up late.
Yeah, we're supposed to wake up 5:30. I was just too tired. I was like not able to wake up. Like I got my phone from the bathroom and I brought it over here. And I set alarms every like hour.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't hear it.
Yeah, I woke up to every alarm. We're gonna still try and do the whole hike.
Yeah. On day 2, we wanted to attempt the hike up the famous Halfdome. With a length of 14 to 16 miles round trip, an elevation of going up 4,800 feet, and an estimated completion time of 10 to 12 hours, it was recommended that we start the hike at around sunrise, which was 7 o'clock, if we wanted to complete the hike and make it back before nightfall. The hike would take us up the mist trail to the top of Bridalveil Falls, then to the top of Nevada Falls, and after a steep incline, a flat but very dry area for several miles called Lower Yosemite Falls, before the largest increase in elevation to the base of Subdome, where you can climb further up through the snow to Subdome. From there, you could make it to the very top of Halfdome, but you can only climb using the cables, which are only up from May to early October. Since the cables were up, our goal was to at least reach Subdome, or the base of Subdome, by 3 o'clock, which will hopefully give us enough time to make it all the way back before nightfall, which was at 7 o'clock. After grabbing breakfast for the road, we drove to the trailhead and made it there by 10 o'clock, where we finally started the hike 3 hours behind schedule. A few miles in, before we made it to the mist trail, Riley and Braden created a strong lead ahead of me and Ben, pulling ahead to the top of Vernal Falls.
Braden and I just reached the top of the waterfall. How was it, Braden?
It's pretty easy.
Fun. I think we have like
8 more miles or something.
I think we have more miles, not gonna lie. But so far it's been pretty great. It's been a little bit tiresome, but the mist of the trail was pretty good. I really liked it. It was cold, but it was nice. That's it.
Yeah.
See you vlog.
We started around there, around the corner. We're going up the stairs, up here. Stairs. We're going around, up, and then we're going up on that mountain. Up there? Oh my god. Yeah, it's so nice. I'm going down. This is the slide. We started here. Yo, we're jumping down.
Me and Braden, we're up here.
I thought it wasn't attached. It just fell off.
So there's a waterfall behind us. We just walked up this. We just took our break. Braden dropped a bunch of cashews, not cashews, a bunch of pistachios on the ground.
Probably thought you could eat the pistachio shells.
Shut up. He dropped like seven pistachios, opening the bag. That's it. Time to go up.
All right, fun fact with Ben, number 1. Go.
This fun fact is that though there are many grizzly and black bears in Yosemite, there have been no deaths caused by bear attacks ever in Yosemite.
Ever?
Yep.
Really?
But there's probably been attacks and injuries and stuff, but no deaths. If we see one, we go give a hug. Okay, Justin's gonna go on to meet up with Riley and Brayden at Halfdome. I'm probably gonna head back now, and then I'll probably meet you guys on the way down. Okay.
Right,
sounds good. Yeah. Okay, good luck, man. Okay.
So right around the end of Little Yosemite Valley, before the Halfdome part officially begins, Ben decided he didn't want to go any further, but I did. So he went back down through the John Muir Trail, while I would try to catch up with Riley and Brayden. In hindsight, splitting up was definitely not a smart thing to do, but alas, I made my choice and pushed on alone. After several miles up, I not only made it high enough to reach snow, I finally made it to the base of Subdome. Riley and Brayden actually made it all the way up to Subdome and were able to see this view. By then, it was already 3 o'clock, so I sat on a rock, ate my lunch, and waited for Riley and Brayden to come back down.
It's them. Still so deep, man. Sheesh, look at that fresh cut.
It's all from the snow.
Oh, yeah.
It's literally only from the snow.
Oh, I didn't see that. I was looking at your hair. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god. Alright, it is 4:57. Sundown's at 7:15. Just made it back to where I split with Ben. Yeah, we're making a really good pace, actually. Yeah, I think we'll make it back in time before dark, hopefully. May not have been able to make it to the top, but this is still beautiful.
For some reason, the way down was much faster and much easier. We started going down at around 4 o'clock and made it down to our car at exactly 7 o'clock. This was probably because we practically ran down the entire trail, but also at the end, we literally ran down part of the trail. We did it! Yeah! Yeah!
Imagine you're braiding
Dead,
on the way back.
Don't get that. No, put that out.
Why'd you do that?
Yeah, I'm really. I wasn't
Just finished taking some pictures, and then some lady's dog bit me.
Really?
Yeah.
That white dog?
The little white dog, yeah.
I
She
saw that.
just bit me randomly. I thought it was Riley like grabbing my leg or something. I was like,
After a long day of hiking, we treated ourselves to some chicken nuggets, fries, and shamrock shakes, went to bed watching Impractical Jokers, and left early morning the next day. On the road back, we saw these hills. If any of you remember from my Sequoia vlog from 2021, these hills were actually on fire on our way back from that trip. So it was like a kind of like a full circle moment driving through here again and seeing that all the green had finally returned, bringing these hills back to life.